The Routes for Work project specifically looked at career pathways within the council and also providing working experience opportunities for the young people of Powys. The funding allowed us to employ someone specifically to look at career pathways and also pay the wages of 9 work placement opportunities.
Nia was recruited for our work experience SPF funded post with sports development. She has been able to shadow all the field officers in their roles all over the county and really embed herself in the service. She has worked on our focus sports, our pathway sports. She's been doing some mapping and gapping, and she has been really valuable for the service.
On this shared prosperity funded placement, I've acquired many skills such as my confidence within myself, working alongside others, communication skills, adaptability, and I feel like mainly patience. My manager and colleagues supported me in my placement by being really organised, just letting me know where to go, what I needed to do, and they were just great really.
What Nia has brought to the role has enabled the service to offer an abundance more opportunities throughout the county, and it's been really valuable.
The work experience placements are now coming to an end. We've got feedback in for those people who took part in the project, and it's been extremely positive. All those who took part in the work placement project feel they have learned skills relevant to the careers they're interested in. They really enjoyed working for a large organisation, being part of that and seeing how things work and how people communicate with each other. And it's made them all far more confident to take the next step in what they want to do. So they've all found it incredibly valuable.
This opportunity has absolutely opened doors for me in the future. It's just been an amazing experience working alongside all my co-workers and seeing how the Powys County Council works.